Well, this is a little mini review of the Corona single conversion synthesized 35 meg receiver, the RP4S1. Tiny little receiver. The aerial is very thin, so it's as well to support it either with a block of Evo stick or a piece of tape, as I've done here. Other unusual thing about it is the orientation of the pins. Across channel 1 and 2 it goes signal, pause, neg, neg, pause, signal. Channels 3 and 4, signal, pause, neg, neg, pause, signal. So all the negatives are in the centre 4 pins, and if you were to move a servo from one channel to the adjacent channel, you have to flip it over, otherwise the servo will be plugged in backwards. It weighs about 7 grams, and it's about 1.5 inches by about 3/4 of an inch in size. 7.4 grams. It's a full range receiver, and in fact people have reported greater range with this than with their own full-size receivers. Here's the receiver alongside a standard S148 for size comparison. It is a synthesized receiver, which means that you don't need receiver crystals. When you change channel, you just use this single button on the base of the receiver and it scans and finds your transmitter. Now it will find transmitters between channels 60 and 80 inclusive. It doesn't work below 60 or above 80. You just got that 60 to 80 useful range. Our club uses 81 upwards for helicopters, so this wouldn't be a suitable receiver for helicopters at our club. Just be aware of any restrictions on band usage within your club. So how do you tune it to your transmitter, it being a synthesized receiver? There we go. That's a standard Futaba servo, standard NICAD pack. Turn it upside down so you can see the LED. We connect the pack, it flashes twice. Here's my trusty 6EXA on channel 80. So what we do is we press the tuning button for 2 seconds, 2 flashes, and then 1 more press. There we go, that's locked. I don't know if you can see that on the servo. That's working to the 6EXA. And if you disconnect and reconnect, obviously you don't have to do that again. 2 flashes as the receiver boots up. There you go. So that's the Futaba on channel 80. Here's a high-tech Focus 4 on channel 76. There we go. Press the button for 2 seconds. Couple of flashes, 1 more press, and there we go. So it's locked to the high-tech. That's channel 76. And here's an old Samware Conquest 6, old analog radio. Switch on, 2 flashes, hold it for 2 seconds. 1 more press, and there we go. There's it. Now it's on the throttle channel. Okay, let's just go back to the high-tech a second. On 76. Hold for 2 seconds. One more press. There we go. Right. Now something else to be aware of with this receiver is that although the manufacturer on the box has said DSP 1024, which implies 10-bit precision from the decoder, it appears that that's not the case. Let me just demonstrate. If I take a pointer and stick it across this servo. This is a brand new Futaba servo. Now just watch if I very gently move the stick across. You'll see it moves in steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. About 36 steps from neutral to one end, and the same in the other direction. So it's not perfectly smooth. A side effect of this is that within the slop of the stick, the centering is not quite spot on. It can be just a gnat's out either way, one step out either way. And that's just something to be aware of if you need it for any sort of precision application. What it's actually designed for, I think, is things like this multiplex Fox conversion, 2 micro servos, 3.6 grams, and the corona receiver is tucked away in the back there. A single LiPo cell. The corona is quite happy to run on 3.6 to 4 volts on a single LiPo, absolutely no trouble at all. And there you go, the whole thing weighs about 80 grams, flies very well. So that's it, Corona RP4S1, excellent receiver for sports flying, maybe not quite so good for precision.